everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-init ng ulam for my lunch today. So, I have the stir-fry okra with oyster sauce. Grabe, oyster sauce makes vegetables really yummy. As in, sobrang sarap niya. And thank you so much for your guys' recommendation. If it weren't for your comments talaga, I wouldn't have like bought an oyster sauce for my cooking every day. So, iniinit ko rin yung soup na ginawa ko nung isang araw kasi I have cough right now. And tapos na yung sore throat ko and my colds. Now, may cough naman ako. So, nakaka-lurks ng bongga. I stayed up late last night, just finishing a couple of videos. Medyo na-frustrate ako sa sarili ko kasi I couldn't speak properly. Kasi nga parang congested ako and parang hirapan ako magsalita and huminga and all that. Kalurks lang, diba? So, right now, I just finished editing a makeup tutorial for you guys there. That will go up tomorrow, Monday, and it's also gonna be a giveaway. So, if you're watching the vlog, may special announcement ka na yung video na yun ay isang giveaway. So, watch towards the end para makita niyo yung giveaway, and you will have to enter via my blog, which is my beauty blog. I am finally resurrecting my blog kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nagbo-vlog dahil nga YouTube is a lot of work na, kaya I couldn't like keep up with updating both. But starting tomorrow, I will be resurrecting my blog, and it's also gonna be transitioning into a lifestyle and beauty blog. So, magkakaroon ng mga recipes and all that, reviews, and yung mga nabili ko sa Lazada, yung mga knife set, I will be reviewing all that for you guys. So, balik tayo. Back in the groove tayo dyan. So, yun, I'm just gonna wait for the food and then I'll be eating. I just finished rearranging everything, all the files that I have under the table. And now I can say that I'm finally organized, and I got rid of all the paper bags for, from the companies, and ang ginawa ko lang, I accumulated all the products lang. Let me show you what the under the table looks like now. It may look quite cluttered for you, but it really works for me. Sobrang ayos na ito, maayos na to. Lahat sa yung loob, mga naka-envelope na siya. And then, I have yet to organize my clothes because I have a lot. And kailangan ko siyang isort kung gagamitin ko ba or ipapamigay ko na or ipapa-sale ko sa garage sale. And then, on top, yun yung mga kailangan ko lang gamitin everyday na files and all that. So, yeah, it looks good. And then this one, if you notice na wala na yung huge box, it's because I got rid of that huge box. Ito kasi may laman tong damit. Kailangan ko rin niyang i-put up for sale para lang maubos. And then, these stuff, hindi ko pa nagagawa ng mga videos. So, andyan pa sila. Medyo inayos ko na to. Medyo maayos. Okay naman, di ba? Madami ng taga akong gamit. And then, on here, I have different products na I got rid of their bags. Ito, tinanggal ko na yung mga bag nito. Ito naman, lahat ng products na inside ng mga bags. We have SK products from Beauty Bound Manila, and then these are the products lined up for tomorrow's video filming. Ito pa rin yan, and then ito na yung laman ito yung mga ibang stock ko for the makeup brushes, you can see, pero yan na. And then over here we have more stuff. I just wanted to show you guys na meron tayong ito, 3S pre-glued lashes. So meron na silang glue. Ang bongga, diba? I haven't done a video on this just yet, but I will do very, very soon, definitely this week, since I'm stocking up on makeup videos. So, yeah, and then in here, dun sa bag ng Tropicana, I put in more stuff. Yan din, mga stuff na galing sa mga paper bags. So, sobrang dami yan. I have yet to sort them out. And then this bag right here, I'll be giving this to Mark's mom and relatives kasi super dami lang na stuff na I don't really need. Also from company. So, this is one, what is this? Itong bag nang galing sa sa Close Buffet Manila. It's really cute, diba? So, sakto si Mark darating siya bukas. So, I'll be giving this away. And then over here, we have products to send away to winners. I have yet to announce the winners. I'll have the link in the information box. So, winner ng Rebel lipstick, winner ng Matte Reds, and then we have the Aqua Gel, or the Aqua moisturizer from Eye White, and then the e.l.f. Brow Doctor, which is going to go up tomorrow, Monday. So, yan, i-ship na yan. Ito pa, hindi kinlaim ng winner. So, I think I'll be using this as a monthly giveaway for my blog. So, definitely stay tuned for that. And then, itong box na to, alam naman yung mga products din. Sobrang daming products din. So, ay kailangan, ewan ko. Diyan muna sila. maayos naman. And then, here, I accumulated a lot of boxes, and I'm thinking I should go to the junk shop tomorrow too. Kasi ang bibigat ng mga box na to, as in ang bibigat, ang sayang if itatapon lang. So, I think, maano ko to, mabibenta ko. Kahit 100 pesos lang okay lang, or mas mababa, basta maging pera. And then, I have like a tall plastic bag of trash. And then we have my laundry. I was supposed to bring this laundry down kanina pa. But since it is now 10 p.m., I cannot anymore kasi close na sila. So tomorrow na lang ito, and ito. Okay, so it's time for tonight's workout. I know it's late, but I really need to get some workout in. And I'm going easy on myself today. And I'm just gonna do 30 minutes on the elliptical. So, I'm gonna do it yung ganun talaga. So, if you didn't know, my elliptical machine, it can either turn into a bicycle. You can use it as a bicycle, which is the way it is set up right now. Para hindi gumalaw tong bar, dun siya, diba? So, what I'm gonna do is transfer the pole in here para sabay yung galaw, and then it will turn into an elliptical machine. So, 30 minutes on the bike, and I'm wearing my Happy Socks socks. Cute, no? Okay guys, I could only do 20 minutes. So, 20 minutes, 20 seconds. I burned 440 calories. That's better than none. So, that's done for the elliptical today. Now it's time for some push-ups and leg works, and then we'll be done for today's workout. Trying out the SK2 mask, facial mask. Okay, it came from this box from Beauty Bound Asia. It's called the Facial Treatment Mask. Apparently, sobrang ganda daw sa skin to, sabi ni Jenzel sa akin. So, I'm trying it, pero parang hindi kasya sa mukha ko. So weird. So, we'll leave this on for 15 minutes. That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And don't forget to enter the giveaway that I did in the wearable makeup look. I'll have the link in the information box. Thank you for watching. Bye! Woke up super early today. I think I woke up at around 6:30 in the morning. So I already had breakfast. I had oatmeal, and now I'm getting an Uber na para pumunta na sa fort for my hair treatment. So yes, today I am going to be changing my hair color. And yeah, say goodbye to my natural hair color. Bye! I'm now riding my Uber to the fort. So the salon is located in the fort. It's called the Lifestyle Salon by Louis Philip Key, and it's actually my first time trying out their services. And they are located at Corbswood Heights. And according to Uber and Waze, around 40 minutes na ako. This is the first time I'm awake this early, kaya bongga. Pero may surge to Uber, aga-aga surge. Pero I think kasi, sabi ni Kuya, ano daw, peak hour daw. So, yun. Don't forget to use my code UberSateYoko if ever you want to get your first ride for free up to 200 pesos. Again, it's UberSateYoko. Now here in the salon, so, nire-renovate yung ano nila, first floor nila. So, just go up sa second floor. This is my outfit for today. So, just to give you guys a little more, a full view, kasi meron silang full-length mirror dito. Just wearing flats, and then, yan, ang cute ng details nito. This one, and then this one. Super cute. This is John, and he's gonna color my hair for today. Hi, John! Ayan, dito kami sa, sa Fort Branch. So, we're just gonna talk about kung anong color yung gusto kong gawin for my hair. Let's see. So, we're now done with the haircut. So, binigyan ako ni John ng layers kasi my hair is super bagsak, diba? Kaya kailangan ko ng texture. And layers will definitely help with that. So, I think right now we're gonna go right into the hair coloring. Are you ready to see the final look? After ilang hours na tayo? Over 6 na. Over 6 hours. Tiis ganda. Colors. Ayan. That is the final look of my hair, guys. Thank you so much to Lifestyle Salon by Louis Philip Key. I'll have the Deal Grocer link in the information box if ever you guys want to get the same hair color and highlights. They all know kung ano yung ginamit na color sa akin. So, after 6 hours, nakatayo na ako, bongga. So, yeah, driver is on his way na, and then we'll go na. Made it safely to SM Manila, and I'm with Mark and his new car. Hi, B!
Hi.
Bongga. We're gonna go to Robinson's Merlate. Robinson's Manila. Sa Malate. Para tumingin ng gowns. Kasi mayroon akong formal event on the 19th. And ayokong ulitin yung gown ko na purple. So yan. Mark loves my new hair.
Maganda.
Maganda ba, B?
Yeah.
You like it? Ano yung tsura ko?
Maganda.
Thank you very much. Hindi pa ako makain, so doon na kami kakain ng dinner. We're here sa Karimadon. We're trying out gowns for the event this weekend. This is gown number 1. Sorry, naka-flat lang ako. Ito gusto ni Mark.
Maganda raw sa gabi.
So, ito sa gabi. Actually, maganda talaga siya. Ang ganda niya. Tignan natin yung second gown. Ganda, diba? On sale pa. This is the second gown. I really like it, pero sabi ni Mark, mas maganda yung kanina. Kasi ito parang... Ang ganda. Actually, maganda. Ganda rin. So, ano guys? 1 or 2? So, I'll reveal what gown I got on Saturday. For now, basta may binili ako. Tapos yun. If ever you need like formal attire, go to Karimadon here at ground floor kayo, no? Ground floor, Robinson's. Hindi kayo midtown. Hindi sila midtown. Sa may fountain, no? Sa Padre Faura. Ayan. If you need the formal gowns, ayan. Doon ako sa sale rack. Doon mo na. Siyempre, diba? Color sa isang gown, mahal, diba? Yun, may nabit. Wala lang. Wow.
Pero dami pa ng mga 5,000.
Oo nga, colors. Yun. Nag-search kasi ako. Alam mo ko kanima doon kasi, very affordable yung mga gowns nila. Na-check-one ko pa, may sale. Here's my food. Yan, chicken rosu. Ito kay Mark medyo
Soup
masarap.
konti.
Oo nga, lapit ko sa'yo, no? Lapit tayo. Yummy. Miso soup. So, we're gonna eat na. Hindi magkano lang yan.
120.
Thanks to our gift card. Thank you very much. Done with dinner. We're gonna go to Joyce's studio first kasi gusto ko ipakita sa kanya yung gown. Wala lang, na-excited lang ako. And so exciting talaga. Kasama namin si Joyce on Saturday. Woo! It's prom night part 2. Nakasama si Joyce. Yan. So, makakasama natin si Chevy and si Joyce and other vloggers. So, excited. Tapos, ano pa ba? Okay naman. Kaya pala mura yung Yabu namin kasi meron kaming voucher that I got from one of their events. So, thank you so much, Yabu. Binubulabog namin si Joyce si Sola Bola. Anong ginagawa mo, girl?
Gumagawa ko ng...
Anong finifil mo, girl? I love it. That's it for today's vlog, guys. Kailangan namin mag-ayos kasi maaga kami tomorrow for another event. So, thanks for watching. Bye! Bibi, bye-bye!
Bye.